Paborito mo bang orderin ang Yang Chow fried rice sa restaurant? Nako, wag na. Napakadali nito at tipid pang gawin sa bahay. Today, magluluto tayo ng simple version na liglig sa sahog at siksik sa sarap. I like to use a wok or a wide pan with high sides para matos na mabuti mga ingredients without tapon. Mapainit na mantika sa pan and add the beaten eggs. Lutuin lang until set but still slightly wet as they will continue to cook pag add sa fried rice later. Clean the pan as needed and add more oil. Saute onions until softened. Ilagay ang diced Chinese sausage and cook until lightly browned. Ito ang package ng sausage na tinatawag rin na lapchang na mabibili sa mga Asian supermarkets. It has a sweet and savory taste na masarap sa mga fried rice at pancit. Add the peeled and deveined shrimp. Lutuin lang until magbago ang kulay at ilagay na ang cold cooked rice. Break apart ang kaning lamig and toss to distribute. Isunod ang frozen peas at continue to cook until heated. Season with soy sauce, pepper, and salt. Continue to toss the rice until evenly colored and lightly toasted. I-drizzle ang sesame oil para pampabango at dagdag flavor. Ilagay ang scrambled eggs kasama ng green onions. I-toss for a minute or two at ready na to serve. I-garnish ang fried rice with more green onions for a touch of freshness at chili crisp para may konting kick of spice. Enjoy!